If you're about to start a YouTube channel, but you have been thinking quite a lot about you don't have a niche, you have 0 viewers and 0 subscribers. This is the truth that no one tells you. The video that you posted without even realizing, just talk about your day, talk about whatever you want, even if you talk about yourself. And I believe that lots of people out there, they don't tell you this, and you have to hear this if you want to start a YouTube channel from the beginning. As a beginner, achieve that growth. If I told you the video that you post today, it will change your life. What if a year from now you could look back after you post that video and starting a YouTube was the best decision you've ever made in your life? And what if the only thing that is standing between you and your future at the moment is to start a content creation, is starting a business? And I believe if you just start and you just don't care about what people might think, because the truth is no one cares. If you've ever wanted to start a YouTube or even social media, TikTok, Instagram, any platform, even Facebook, any platform that you admire, to start a content, I mean, no one cares. No one cares, seriously. You don't have a niche at the moment, and you don't have any subscribers. You do not have any viewers, and you want to start on YouTube, but you're wondering, where should I start? Where should I start? But I would say, even if you don't have a fancy equipment and you don't have any idea where to begin, what kind of videos you have to make. But the thing is, a lot of people, they don't realize this. You don't need to have a niche at the moment. You might even be thinking, why would someone watch my videos? What if I fail? What if I start and no one cares? Of course, no one cares, and that's the truth. You have to believe it. I need you to hear this clearly, okay? Every successful person you admire on this platform, in particular, YouTube, which is the second largest platform on earth, is starting with 0 views. They start with 0 views, 0 confidence. But confidence comes after reps, after taking action. The only way to build confidence is to take action. The only difference between them and everyone else is that they didn't quit whatsoever. And why should you keep posting on YouTube or even social media in general? I mean, generally speaking, I'm going to show you how to start a YouTube with no niche, what videos you should post and to complete as a beginner, and how to grow without experience, money, confidence, and how to kind of start a YouTube, and how YouTube can literally change your life if you let it, or if you don't quit, of course. Choosing a niche without pressure. Stop trying to find your niche at first. Here's the biggest mistake, okay? Here is the biggest mistake that beginners make. They think that they need a niche before they start. You don't. If you see my content at the moment, I don't have a niche. But your niche comes, or your purpose comes, when you try to solve people problems. And your niche doesn't come from thinking, it comes from posting. You start by talking about what you are learning, what you're struggling with, and what you're curious about, or what you wish someone taught you sooner. Let's say, for example, if you don't know what's your niche at first, just make a video about things I wish I knew sooner, or things I wish I've learned, or things I wish someone taught me, or advice I wish I knew sooner, or advice I wish I knew early in life. So, I mean, these are all video ideas that you can do, because after that video, people might comment on the video and they might ask about something about you answer, and they say thank you. That's how you solve problems. Your niche will find you through the action. You are starting with 0 subscribers. Your job is you don't need to go viral. Your job is to be helpful. You don't need expensive equipment at the same time. This is where it kills your purpose in life. You don't need a great camera at the start. You don't need a microphone, and you don't even need any studio. You have your phone is enough, message is enough, but quality won't stop you. Consistency, of course, well, because if you quit, you will never keep posting at all. Confidence itself is where the confidence feel awkward for some people. Your first video will feel uncomfortable. That's normal. You will be cringe at first. You will overthink and you want to delete all of them, and I would say just post them anyway, because confidence isn't something that you wait for. As I mentioned earlier, confidence is something that you build from time to time with reps and of course taking action along the way. And I would say expect this low growth at the start. Expect, you have to. And let's be honest, okay? Let me be honest with you. Your first 10 videos probably won't do well, and your 30 as well will not do well. But your first 100 will change everything at the start. You will start having those skyrocket views, random views coming up, and rewards people who stay, because YouTube is all about consistency and how you deal with the platform at the same time. But imagine this, 6 months from now, you are more confident on the camera, and of course, you are better on explaining ideas. You are better on explaining to your audience what they want and what questions you might need to answer. And your ideas are clear and your voice is more stronger than you think, because when you start, because starting before felt ready is quite important. Hear the life-changing truth about content creation no one tells you. Starting a business, YouTube isn't just a platform, okay? It's a skill and it's a voice already, and it's even the doorway. What I mean by doorway is the scariest part, where not failing, you never starting. And I believe that if you are watching this right now, this is the sign for you. You start messy. No one cares. Size scared. No one cares. Even if size small, no one cares. But it's starting point, even if you're not perfect, because you don't have to be great. You have to start to be great. You don't have to be perfect. You have to start to be perfect. And I believe that if you're about to start a YouTube channel, this is your sign. And I mean, honestly and truthfully, just start. And come back to this video 1 year from now and let me know in the comments what is your journey look like. And yeah, I mean, this is all about it, and this is all about what platform can teach you. There's lots of lessons you can learn from a platform YouTube like this, because it's the second largest platform on earth, and you can learn quite a lot. So if you like what you saw today and enjoyed today's video, please drop the comment section below and let me know.